Deleting a Slack workspace is permanent, so it's crucial to be certain before taking action. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to slack.com. Log in using your preferred method, email, Google, or Apple account, so you can access the workspace you want to delete. Once logged in, carefully select the workspace you intend to remove. Double check the workspace name to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong one, as all messages and files will be lost permanently. At the top of your screen, click the down arrow next to the workspace name. From the drop-down menu, select Tools and Settings, then Workspace Settings. Within Settings and Permissions, locate the Delete Workspace link. Clicking this will take you to the Confirm Deletion page. Here, enter your password to verify your identity and check the acknowledgement box to confirm that you understand all messages and files will be permanently deleted. Once you've reviewed everything and are certain, click Yes, delete my workspace. That final click, your Slack workspace is permanently gone. Deleting a workspace is irreversible, so make sure you are completely confident before proceeding. Following these steps ensures a smooth and secure deletion process.